Through the GEP Supply Chain Volatility Index, a leading economic indicator, we are tracking worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand through a monthly survey of over 27,000 businesses. We're now into our 7th consecutive month of notable excess supplier capacity worldwide, and there's no end in sight to the global manufacturing recession. In fact, a key finding from October's report was that the notable rise in idle capacity across Asian suppliers, specifically in China and Japan, as that region's resilience fades. Here in Europe, we've not seen these levels of subdued demand and idle capacity since the last financial crisis in 2008 and 9. Europe is experiencing a protracted period of slowdown in manufacturing, coupled with high interest rates. In stark contrast, North America is a bright spot, where supply chains do have some excess capacity, but to a much lower extent than elsewhere, as the US economy continues to display its strengths. Taken together, this means that the global manufacturing recession has further to run. It also means that procurement and supply chain leaders have greater leverage to negotiate better prices and terms with suppliers and to reduce inventories into 2024. Go to gep.com/volatility to learn more about the current state of the world's supply chains. I'm Jamie Ogilvy-Smalls, Vice President of Consulting, GEP.